We're here in beautiful southern Oregon and in the heart of the Oregon Shakespeare Festival. The area is filled with a variety of vegetation, but that's not what this documentary is about. We're here for a specific reason, the PEEPs. We see some here scurrying about their daily business.
These are the PEEPs, a very rare and critically endangered species, and only 8 are said to remain in the modern world.
Their diet mainly consists of pizza and coffee.
Most PEEPs are docile, with very social personalities, which they need to cooperate with members of other species. For example, performers.
These creatures have the innate and uncommon ability to talk without making much sense.
Or if I could sing opera without opening my mouth. If I could sneeze opera.
Alright, so you probably just watched a video about the PEEPs or something, and it was a few minutes long, like a documentary or something. I'm here to say we had a lot of fun making it. It was great. I'm so glad we had the opportunity to do it. And any second now, you should begin to see a credit scene. Ah! Dang it! Stop recording. I did it because you shut up. You guys all shut up. I did it. We're done.